Very good morning, students. Now, students, in this video, we understand budget deficit, right? Now, budget deficit means occur when expenses exceed revenue, means when expenses is greater than revenues, and indicate financial health of country, right? The government generally uses the term budget deficit when referring to spending rather than business or individuals, right? Now, some important key takeaways about budget deficit. A budget deficit happens when current expenses exceed the amount of income received through standard operations, right? The means here is when the expenses is greater than revenues the government collect. Certain unanticipated events and policy may cause budget deficit, right? The country can counter budget deficit by raising taxes. How can government can increase his revenue? The government can increase his revenue by the raising taxes and cutting spending. That's why government can control the budget deficit, right? And these are some condition of the budget deficit. Understand? Now, students, we also understand types of the budget deficit. There are three measures: revenue deficit and fiscal deficit. The revenue deficit means total revenue expenditures minus total revenue received. That is called revenue deficit. Means here is total revenue expenditure minus total revenue received. That is revenue we can calculate, right? Fiscal deficit means total expenditure minus total received excluding borrowings, right? The fiscal deficit is a shortfall in government income compared with its spending. The government that has a fiscal deficit is spending beyond its means. A fiscal deficit is calculated as a percentage of gross domestic product or simply as a total dollar spent in excess of incomes, right? Here is primary, and we can understand the other third deficit, primary deficit, right? Fiscal deficit minus, how can you calculate? Fiscal deficit minus interest payment, we can calculate primary deficit. So here is we understand some key points. Know about the budget. What is revenue deficit? The difference between the revenue and expenditures and revenue receipt is known as revenue deficit. The deficit here is the revenue deficit, means expenditure is greater than revenue, right? It shows the shortfall of government's current receipt over current expenditure, right? Expenditure is greater than revenue. Understands? Here is fiscal deficit. When the government is non-borrowed, receipt falls short of its entire expenditure. It has to borrow money from the public to meet the shortfall. The excess of total expenditure over total non-borrowed receipt is called the fiscal deficit. Understand? These are the fiscal deficit. The fiscal deficit means total expenditure minus total receipt. The total expenditure by the government and total receipt collected by the governments, right? Here is some differences, meanings. Fiscal deficit, it is the difference between the total revenue and total expenditure of the government, excluding borrowing, not including, keep in mind, right? And revenue deficit, it is the result when revenue receipts are less than its revenue expenditures, right? And indicator, it is an indicator of total borrowing needed by the governments, right? It indicate the dependency on loan in near futures, that is revenue deficit. It arises due to the hike in capital expenditures, right? And it arises when government actual net receipt are lower than project receipt, right? Means when government expenditure is greater than their receipt, means the money collected by the government or revenue collected by the government. Understand? These are the types. Fiscal deficit is a shortfall in government incomes. I already explained you, right? So students, you understand the causes of fiscal deficit. A government budget deficit occur when government spending outpace revenue deficit, right? Deficit are also causes from a decline in revenue due to an economic contraction such as recession or depressions. Unplanned events such as natural disaster and war can also cause fiscal deficit. A high fiscal deficit can also be good for the economy if money spent goes into creations of productive asset. That's why it is sometimes is good, like highway, road, port, airport, that boosts economic growth and result in job creations, right? I have already explained you the for fiscal deficit. Understand here, and differences I have already explained you, right? The budget also I have explained you, but not a part of your revenue budget and capital budget, right? Revenue expenditure, revenue receipt, and balance, that is revenue deficit. Capital expenditure, capital receipt, balance is capital deficit. The budgetary deficit, that is called budgetary deficit. So this is not a part of this one. So you understand, the way understand students the types of budget and budget deficit, right? Thanks for watching this. Have a great day.